Thank you for your purchase daw. So, isa. I-check na to. Ako na siyang gitang plus from P+. Isod kayo ng kanang gamay ka tag space. Look ilahang packaging. Look, this is my first time actually to buy from an online live seller. So, naguba ang akong laptop. And Dad doesn't want to buy me anything. Kalisod-sod ang agihan ay. Indot ilahang wrapping ito bubble wrap. First time na ko mapalit og mga gadgets. No choice. Ang laptop na guba. So, first, this one, mo siyang freebies, I think so. So, this is the Chromebook. Nice silang bubble wrap. Gamay ra! Cute. I love it. Oh, it's Acer. This is nice. Second hand na sila. Huh? Cute siya, bes. Imot nila, inon sila na daw ni ano. Let's see. Okay. It says Chrome OS. I asked the dealer actually, what is the OS? She said Google Chrome. Dili man tao na OS ang Google Chrome. So I googled yesterday sa office. So it says it's Chrome OS daw.